So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to install .exe file on Ubuntu. So we are going to do that with the help of Wine, and we should install three things here. Install Wine 132 and leave Wine. For that we have to open the terminal, and then after write the command sudo apt-get install Wine. So it will install Wine in 10 to 15 minutes in yours. Mine is already installed, so second step is sudo apt-get install 132. And after that we have to install the Debian package libwine. So after you install these three things, you can install the .exe file and run it in your Ubuntu. So first of all, you have to locate the .exe package. Mine is on download folder, and so you can see here. So open the terminal here and look after it. So invoke the Wine here and give it the file name and live yes. So hit enter, and then after it will open the setup package, setup process like in Windows. So installation process is same as the Windows process. So install it. Mine is already installed, so I'm going to cancel it. So after you install those files, you have to run that in Wine Explorer. So for that we have to write Wine, open Wine Explorer, and it will open a virtual disk here like in Windows. So open the folder where you install that files, and you can see my files is here. So open those files and it will run the Windows program here. Thank you.